The second topic of writing is writing an opinion. In this topic, you will learn how to write an opinion or idea written in mass media, such as a letter to the editor of a newspaper. And this is one of the examples with the topic cigarettes cause many illnesses. The government should ban all cigarette factories. Now, let's break down the writing. Again, like in the previous topic of writing, a good composition or essay at least have three parts of writing. They are introduction part, body or content part, and conclusion or closing part. In the introduction part of writing an opinion, you should state your position of the problem, whether you are agree or disagree. In the other hand, if you only agree one of the parts of the question prompts, state it clearly, like this. I agree that cigarettes cause many illnesses, but I do not agree with the statement, which means that the writer does not agree with the statement the government should ban all cigarette factories. Then, the rest of the part of writing, such as the body and the conclusion, should reflect this position. So, you cannot say in the introductory part that you are agree with the statement, but you give disagreement example or cases in the body part. It will not be coherent, and your writing will confuse the reader. Therefore, the position in the introductory part should be coherent with the example or explanation given both in body part and conclusion part. Next, look at the body or content part. I have underlined the reason given by the writer. He gives 3 reasons to support his position. First, many people will lose their jobs. Second, the government will lose a lot of money from cigarette taxes. And the last, many sports events will collapse. And each reasons are provided with coherent supporting details. Can you notice it? The last is about the conclusion part. Let's read together. To prevent the smokers from getting sick because of cigarettes, the government needs only give warning to them. The government had done it by sticking government warning on cigarette boxes. It is enough for me. Smoking, however, is someone's right. Basically, there are 3 types of conclusion that you can use for your writing. First, it can be giving solution related to the problem, like this. Second, you can give your personal statement related to the problem. And the last, the most frequent type of conclusion in writing is you restate or mention again your position like you did in the introductory part. Alright, that is about writing an opinion.